Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock local play on Infinite Warfare. First, ensure your second controller is connected and recognized by your console. This is a crucial first step for split-screen gaming. Once connected, launch Infinite Warfare and proceed to the main menu. From there, you will easily find and select the local play option to begin setting up your game. After entering the local play menu, you'll have two exciting options: multiplayer or zombies. Both modes fully support split screen for 2 players, offering hours of fun. Remember, the thrilling campaign is a solo experience, so gather a friend for some intense local competitive or cooperative action in the other modes. Now for the fun part, customizing your match. You can select from a variety of maps and game modes, setting specific rules like score limits or time limits. Don't forget to personalize your experience by creating custom classes and choosing your preferred combat rig, each with unique abilities. Experiment with different weapon loadouts to find your perfect setup. With all your settings in place, it's time to jump into the action. Double-check that both players are ready and their controllers are active. A prompt will typically appear, asking the second player to press a specific button, like X on PlayStation or on Xbox, to join. Once they've joined, the host can start the match, and you're all set for an awesome local gaming session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.